How to create a subscript and superscript in Canva. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create subscripts and superscripts. And yes, it's completely free and easy whether you're designing for a project, presentation, or just for fun. These text effects are super useful, so let's get started. First things first, open the Canva app or go to canva.com, click on Create Design, and what you need to do is simply on the left panel, click on the text tool and simply type the text you want to add. For example, you can write H2O for a subscript or E is equals to MC square for a superscript, but I'm going to be writing a simple one, that is X square. So simply type in X in your paragraph. Now let's create a subscript. What you need to do is simply add a new text box again, and I'll be writing simply a 2 and simply resize it a little bit and make it as near to the X. Now I'm going to be selecting the both one, X and 2. Once you select the both of this, what you need to do is simply tap on group and these will be a subscript. You can repeat the same process for the superscript in Canva as well. And that's it. That's how you can simply create subscript or superscript text on Canva.